Most people get confused by crypto. They don't understand. It's literally just decentralized money, which means you can protect your money from the inflation of the US dollar and have an appreciating asset. Okay. So he was like, hey, Cam, you need to buy Bitcoin and Ethereum every chance you get. And just people are going to tell you you're an idiot for like the next 5 years. But after 5 years, you're going to be laughing. And that's what he told me. And I was like, all right. So I bought a bunch.
What year was this, by the way?
2018. So this was like, it was 4K.
Yeah,
3,
man.
4K.
I got it in 2017.
Good for you. Before me.
Yeah, which by 1 year.
You already know.
So I know the trajectory.
Exactly. So keep in mind, my dad is a PhD electrical engineer, very traditional. He was pissed. He's like, you spent 20 grand on this nonsense? And I was like, I did. And he almost talked me out of it, man. Like I almost sold.
Paper hands.
And you know, I waited and everyone called me stupid and I just like kind of forgot about it. $500,000 later.
Yeah.
You know, that was the first bag on crypto.
So you didn't really sell anything then for a while?
I forgot about it, bro. I was just like, I'm not going to even like worry about that money.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's hilarious.
Yeah.
Back when I got into crypto, I was trying a whole bunch of things even before that. And what led me into crypto was stocks before that, funny enough. And I was like, how can I find a market that's more opportunity and also open 24/7? And then I came across it on YouTube randomly.
That's sick.
So yeah, we have a similar story with that.
Stuff.
But what happened? What was your reaction when you opened your portfolio and you were like, oh shit, I have all this money right now?
I was a little manic, bro, to be honest. I was kind of like, is this okay to withdraw? Or like, is this supposed to stay here so nobody knows? You know what I mean? And I withdrew a decent amount. Mm-hmm. But it was like scary to understand. Like I was like, is this what investing is? Like, is this like when people invest in tech companies, which is huge in the Silicon Valley, right? Do they just wake up to money one day? And it's like, yeah, they bet on the right things. Like people want to think you have to be a super sophisticated person. It's like, you just need to catch trends. Uber was a trend. DoorDash was a trend. Twitter was a trend. Now, most people don't get the opportunities to invest in companies like that because they're not accredited investors and they're just not tapped in.
Yeah.
With crypto, you can have those types of returns without being anybody. Mm-hmm. You can put 1,000 in, and I don't like the term meme coin because that's not what I invest in at all. The money in meme coins is made because somebody's sitting behind a computer for 18 hours pissing in a cup and trading something in 4 minutes and making a bunch of money in 4 minutes, and everybody else gets fucked.
Pretty much.
I invest in a lot of altcoins, though, that I actually know the founders of the projects. They're very good. Somebody very close to me built a coin on the Solana exchange in 2020 called LIQ, L-I-Q. Basically what it did, to make it a little complicated for the audience if they want to hear, it liquidates funds on the Solana trading exchange called Serum. Okay, which basically means when you make trades on margin by borrowing money, some technology like on Robinhood, when you trade options, that's already happening. It's liquidating, right? This is for that, is the equivalent in crypto. That shit made us a huge fucking bag because we knew the founder. We knew what was going to happen. We knew the trajectory of the project. And we've been in 15 to 20 projects since 2020 like that, where we made minimum, 10x returns on these. Mm-hmm. So,
at the end of the day, it just comes down to right place, right time with high conviction. That's the biggest thing, especially in trading too.
Exactly.
And I want to ask you one of the questions too. If you're so successful at trading, why do you teach people trading?
I love this question because that's like saying if I buy a house, why do I invest in like a commercial building or something? Or why do I do anything else? Look, trading doesn't take a lot of time, right? So there's different styles of trading that I've now equipped or built a team of traders to help me with, right? Trading options literally takes 45 seconds to trade. You take 45 seconds or less to pick the stock, pick the prediction you're making, and pick the date the contract expires. All options is predicting what's going to happen to a stock by a certain date. That takes 45 seconds.